Are you surprised on the manipulation for silver as this has been starting to become mainstream over the last day or so now? And yeah, are you surprised that that the manipulation of silver is actually being done? I've been talking about that for quite some time, and many other people have along the way. But B, if it's starting to surface within the mainstream media. After all, you can only manipulate and suppress the price of silver down for so long. Natural law, no matter how it's going to play out, because I really don't know, has no choice but get to the bottom of the ordeal. And when we start to talk about tops in the silver market, same thing with gold, at least for this time frame, when it has just recently broken out of the key resistance, it's nowhere near this significant top. We're still at the point where a lot of people really don't understand why the price is going higher, or that they even would consider silver to be manipulated, because they've been so conditioned into understanding that our paper fiat notes is what money happens to be. When are they going to start saying on the mainstream media, well, this is how we create money? Yeah, we make up these treasury bonds, and then we charge interest that would guarantee debt, those sort of things. Because that's going to happen too. It may take some significant amount of time before that to be the case. But this does seem to be the start of that uplifting move. And on November 8th to 11th, that's when Webbot is predicting the big moves to happen. But not talking about that, but the what's going on just before then. The Federal Reserve is going to be talking roughly around the 5th or 6th. I'm not sure the date of November, and this could be that buy the news, sell the rumors sort of deal. If they go ahead and do QE2, then most likely it's going to keep surging to the upside. If they pass on QE2, I don't know exactly what's going to happen, but my best educated guess is if they say that they're not going to print much or any more money, that you'd start to see a retracement. However, the price right now, based on inflation alone, or based on creation of money supply, which really is what inflation is all about, should be roughly around 100 per ounce. And then you got to adjust it based on its supply and demand measures, which makes me believe that it should even be upwards to about 180, 200 right now, based on the money supply. So if they say we're going to stop creating money, well then theoretically silver should stay flatlined at what it is. Markets don't trade normal, but as I was saying in my technical analysis videos, when you look at the 80s and the 90s, the market should not have done what it did. It was the manipulation to drive the price lower. It's not really evidence that it's driving lower. It's not no. There's evidence towards it. It's not belief that it's been manipulated. It's fact. It's total factual. When you look at all the different pieces together, it just becomes very very clear. Thank you for watching. Yeah, one quick note about the chart. As far as the intraday stuff, I'll do a chart, not today, maybe tomorrow, but definitely I'll put one in later this week. As far as the short term, I was noticing a head and shoulders, an inverted one, pointing out, I said that on a technical video, that broke the 24 level yesterday with a big move. And oftentimes from fast moves or from failed moves can come failed moves. It did not hold the 24 level, and now it's down to 23.5 and maybe showing signs of a regular head and shoulders pattern. It's just finished the head. It's still going to make the right shoulder. Whether that will happen, I don't know. And the move for that head and shoulders pattern would only be about a move of 4 or 5% on the downside. So I think there's a good chance we'll have some wild volatility coming up. But until we get to that Fed announcement in November, I think for the most part it's not going to be all that volatile. Thank you for watching and have yourself a great day.